How long have you lived in this city?
I have lived in this city for 5 years.
What countries have you visited so far?
I have visited Turkey and Malaysia so far.
Where have you put my phone?
I have put your phone on the table.
Why have you called me today?
I have called you to discuss our project.
What book have you read recently?
I have read The Alchemist recently.
How many movies have you watched this month?
I have watched 5 movies this month.
What places have you explored this year?
I have explored the northern areas this year.
What has she cooked for dinner?
She has cooked biryani for dinner.
What songs have you learned to play on guitar?
I have learned to play 3 songs on guitar.
How much water have you drunk today?
I have drunk 3 glasses of water today.
What new skills have you learned this week?
I have learned video editing this week.
How many emails have you sent this morning?
I have sent 10 emails this morning.
What shows have you watched on Netflix?
I have watched Stranger Things and Money Heist.
What subjects have you studied for the exam?
I have studied English and science for the exam.
What have you done to improve your English?
I have practiced speaking and listening daily.
Who has helped you with your homework?
My friend has helped me with my homework.
What sports have you played in school?
I have played football and cricket in school.
Where have you gone for your holidays?
I have gone to Murray for my holidays.
What have you bought from the market?
I have bought vegetables and fruits from the market.
What projects have you completed this year?
I have completed 2 major projects this year.
What mistakes have you made in your report?
I have made spelling and grammar mistakes in my report.
Who has called you this morning?
My teacher has called me this morning.
What jobs have you applied for recently?
I have applied for 3 teaching jobs recently.
What have you done to prepare for the test?
I have revised all the chapters to prepare for the test.
Where have you kept your passport?
I have kept my passport in the drawer.
What have you learned from your mistakes?
I have learned to be more careful and responsible.
What food have you eaten today?
I have eaten bread and eggs today.
How many students have joined your class?
10 students have joined my class.
What have you achieved this month?
I have achieved my fitness goal this month.
What places has your family visited together?
We have visited Lahore and Islamabad together.
What have you done with your old clothes?
I have donated my old clothes to charity.
What has the teacher explained today?
The teacher has explained the present perfect tense today.
What countries have you always wanted to visit?
I have always wanted to visit the USA and Canada.
What languages have you learned so far?
I have learned English and Arabic so far.
Who has written this beautiful poem?
Who has written this beautiful poem?
What has changed in your life recently?
My job has changed in my life recently.
What shows have you enjoyed the most?
I have enjoyed reality shows the most.
What goals have you achieved this year?
I have achieved my study goals this year.
What problems have you faced at work?
I have faced time management problems at work.
What has your brother done today?
My brother has cleaned the room today.
What places have you traveled to for work?
I've traveled to Lahore and Islamabad for work.
What challenges have you overcome this year?
I have overcome my fear of public speaking this year.
What courses have you completed online?
I have completed 2 English courses online.
What things have you forgotten at home?
I have forgotten my wallet and keys at home.
What news have you heard today?
I have heard about a new government policy today.
What has made you laugh recently?
A funny video has made me laugh recently.
What books have you bought this month?
I have bought 3 grammar books this month.
What food has your mother prepared for lunch?
My mother has prepared chicken curry for lunch.
What has your friend told you about the trip?
My friend has told me it was amazing.
What has inspired you to learn English?
My dream job has inspired me to learn English.
What countries has your cousin visited?
My cousin has visited Dubai and Malaysia.
What subjects have you always loved?
I have always loved English and history.
What games have you played on your phone?
I have played PUBG and chess on my phone.
What has your teacher said about your progress?
My teacher has said that I have improved a lot.
What fruits have you eaten today?
I have eaten apples and bananas today.
What has your manager discussed in the meeting?
My manager has discussed new company goals.
What apps have you downloaded recently?
I have downloaded WhatsApp and Instagram recently.
What has your friend bought from the store?
My friend has bought a new phone from the store.
What kind of movies have you watched this week?
I have watched action movies this week.
What has made your day special?
A surprise message has made my day special.
What dishes have you tried at the restaurant?
I have tried pasta and pizza at the restaurant.
What has changed in your city over time?
The traffic system has changed in my city over time.
What has your father done today?
My father has gone to the bank today.
What friends have you met recently?
I have met my college friends recently.
What goals have you set for this month?
I have set a reading goal for this month.
What has your mother told you about school?
My mother has told me to study regularly.
What lessons have you learned from life?
I have learned patience and honesty from life.
What has your boss assigned you this week?
My boss has assigned me a new project this week.
What TV shows have you followed lately?
I have followed reality TV shows lately.
What has your neighbor built recently?
My neighbor has built a new house recently.
What songs have you listened to today?
I have listened to pop songs today.
What has your sister done for you?
My sister has baked a cake for me.
What has made you feel proud lately?
My students' success has made me feel proud lately.
What events have you attended this year?
I have attended 2 weddings this year.
What has your cousin achieved recently?
My cousin has completed his degree recently.
What hobbies have you started lately?
I have started painting and cycling lately.
What has the doctor advised you to do?
The doctor has advised me to take rest.
What has your pet done today?
My pet has broken a flower pot today.
What songs have you written so far?
I have written 3 songs so far.
What goals have you completed this week?
I have completed all my study goals this week.
What mistakes have you corrected in your essay?
I have corrected spelling mistakes in my essay.
What things have you repaired at home?
I have repaired the fan and the door at home.
What has surprised you this month?
A gift from my friend has surprised me this month.
What books have you finished reading?
I have finished reading 2 novels.
What has made you happy this week?
Spending time with my family has made me happy this week.
What friends have you helped recently?
I've helped my best friend recently.
What ideas have you shared in the meeting?
I have shared marketing ideas in the meeting.
What things have you lost this year?
I have lost my watch and some books this year.
What achievements have you earned in school?
I have earned first position in school.
What new places have you discovered around town?
I have discovered a new cafe around town.